How Andrew Tate lived like a king. Andrew Tate, a name that resonates with luxury and extravagance, has carved a niche for himself in the realms of social media, professional kickboxing, and personal branding. With a substantial online following and a reputation for unapologetic opulence, Tate's lifestyle has sparked both admiration and criticism. Early life and ambitions. Andrew Tate's journey towards living like a king has its roots in his early life. He was born in the vibrant city of Washington, D.C., a place known for its diversity and opportunities. Tate's upbringing was far from ordinary, as he was instilled with a deep sense of ambition and a strong work ethic from a young age. His parents, recognizing his potential, encouraged him to dream big and chase his ambitions. Growing up, Tate's life was marked by a tireless pursuit of excellence. He understood that success required discipline and unwavering determination. His formative years were characterized by hours of rigorous training, learning the art of martial combat, and developing the mental fortitude that would serve him well in the years to come. The early lessons of hard work, self-improvement, and ambition laid the foundation for what would later become a life of grandeur. Kickboxing, the gateway to wealth. To truly grasp how Andrew Tate lives like a king, it's essential to understand the pivotal role that kickboxing played in his life. His entry into the world of professional kickboxing was not just a career choice, it was a profound commitment to a sport that demanded dedication, skill, and an unyielding spirit. From the moment he stepped into the ring, it was evident that Tate was destined for greatness. He didn't just compete, he dominated. Over the years, his journey in kickboxing took him from local competitions to international championships, earning him fame, recognition, and crucially, substantial wealth. Tate's success in kickboxing wasn't accidental. It was a result of countless hours of grueling training, rigorous physical conditioning, and a tireless pursuit of perfection. Each fight was a manifestation of his commitment to being the best in the world, and each victory was a stepping stone toward the life of luxury he now enjoys. Financial success and investments. Andrew Tate's ascent to living like a king is not solely attributed to his success in the kickboxing arena. It's also a testament to his strategic financial acumen and savvy investments. The substantial wealth he accumulated from his kickboxing career provided him with the capital needed to explore various investment avenues. Tate's financial portfolio extends beyond traditional investments. He ventured into real estate, a domain often associated with the elite and the wealthy. These investments weren't random choices. They were the result of careful research, planning, and a deep understanding of the real estate market. By strategically acquiring properties and diversifying his real estate holdings, Tate ensured long-term financial stability. Stock investments played another crucial role in his financial strategy. Tate didn't simply dabble in stocks, he took a methodical approach. His investments were guided by thorough analysis, market trends, and a vision for long-term growth. Luxurious residences, the palaces of a king. A hallmark of Andrew Tate's opulent lifestyle is his collection of luxurious residences. These are not just houses, they are grandiose properties that can only be described as modern-day palaces. Tate's real estate acquisitions span the globe, and each property reflects his taste for extravagance and architectural finesse. From sprawling mansions nestled in exclusive gated communities to penthouses with panoramic views of iconic cityscapes, his homes are a testament to his status as a modern-day king. These residences are meticulously designed and adorned with the finest amenities. They feature opulent swimming pools, home theaters, state-of-the-art fitness facilities, and sprawling landscapes that provide a sense of tranquility and seclusion. Each property exudes an air of sophistication and opulence that befits his status. Extravagant automobiles, riding in style. To truly grasp the opulence of Andrew Tate's lifestyle, one must take note of his impressive collection of high-end automobiles. These vehicles are not merely modes of transportation, they are rolling statements of his success and status. Tate's car collection encompasses a range of vehicles, each carefully chosen to reflect his taste and persona. From sleek and powerful sports cars to luxurious and spacious SUVs, each vehicle is a symbol of his unparalleled achievements and affluence. Sports cars, with their roaring engines and striking designs, represent his love for speed and luxury. These machines aren't just about getting from one place to another. They are about making an entrance, turning heads, and embodying the notion of living life in the fast lane. Jet-setting lifestyle, conquering the globe. The jet-setting lifestyle that Andrew Tate leads is another facet of his opulent existence. It's a lifestyle that involves global exploration, private jet travel, and stays in some of the world's most exclusive resorts. Tate's passport bears witness to his conquest of the globe. From the pristine beaches of the Maldives to the bustling streets of Tokyo, it has left his mark on some of the world's most coveted destinations. His travels are not about mere leisure. They are about experiencing the world at its finest. Private jet travel is a cornerstone of this lifestyle. It represents a level of convenience and exclusivity that few can fathom. Instead of enduring the hassles of commercial flights, Tate and his entourage can travel on their terms, ensuring privacy, comfort, and efficiency. This mode of travel epitomizes his desire for a life without constraints. Staying in the most exclusive resorts and hotels is another hallmark of his jet-setting lifestyle. Fashion and accessories, dressed to impress. No exploration of how Andrew Tate lives like a king would be complete without delving into his impeccable taste in fashion and accessories. His wardrobe is a carefully curated collection that goes beyond mere clothing. It's a reflection of his charisma, confidence, and status. Tate's clothing choices are a blend of sophistication and boldness. He understands that attire is not just about covering one's body. It's a statement, an expression of one's personality and social standing. His tailored suits, crafted by renowned designers, are not just garments. They are works of art that drape his frame with precision and elegance. In addition to suits, his casual wear exudes an air of casual sophistication. From bespoke shirts to custom-made shoes, every item in his closet is a testament to his dedication to looking his best at all times. He understands that appearance plays a crucial role in the perception of success and status. Digital empire, mastering the online realm. In the digital age, Andrew Tate has not only conquered physical domains, but has also established a significant presence in the online realm. His digital empire comprises a powerful and influential online persona, monetized through social media platforms, online courses, and ebooks. Tate's social media presence, with hundreds of thousands of followers, is a testament to his ability to connect with and influence a global audience. His online presence is a reflection of his magnetic charisma, which draws people in and keeps them engaged. Monetizing his online presence is a strategic move. It's not just about sharing content, it's about turning that content into a source of income. Andrew Tate leverages his knowledge, experience, and charisma to offer online courses and ebooks on a range of topics, including fitness, mindset, and personal development. Andrew Tate's lavish lifestyle is a multifaceted tapestry woven with ambition, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. His journey from humble beginnings to a life of unparalleled luxury serves as an inspiration to many, illustrating that with determination, strategic thinking, and a touch of audacity, one can indeed live like a king. Through his story, we are reminded that the pursuit of greatness, in whatever form it may take, can lead to a life that surpasses even the most extravagant of dreams. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.